Well, here's my game idea. Basically, I'm not sure what to call it yet, but you are that little ball on the screen, and it moves around, as you can see, with realistic physics, with a randomly generated terrain ground, and then it falls, and it'll just it'll just bounce, and it bounces off the walls as well, um, and you can press the button at any time, any button, and the ball will expand. And when that does, it propels the ball faster. And the object of the game is to get into that basket right there. When the ball when you get a basket, you get points. Usually 2 points if you just hit it off the ground, which is the easiest. But later on, in more difficult levels, there can be obstacles, other balls bouncing around, larger balls, smaller balls, different properties. And you get an additional point for every ball yours bounces off of right before it goes into the basket. Very difficult to do this, but it's just fun to see what combinations you get, and sometimes you'll be able to get a lot of points that way. Another thing I'm planning on implementing is a multiplayer mode, either where you both see each other's balls and it's kind of like a battle to get the basket in, or and more like Tetris, where you both have your own play field, and the more points you get in a single basket, you drop obstacles on your opponent's field, making it more difficult for them. And as you get baskets, you might clear off obstacles. And lastly, I'd also like to mention that maybe in some areas the basket could be moving, maybe the ground could be moving, and maybe there could be multiple baskets, and maybe even power-ups for your ball. The possibilities are limitless, and I haven't gotten them all worked out yet, but I think it should be interesting.